Hey guys, how are you doing today? So, let's start the part 2 of our Create Your First Canvas App Within 10 Minutes playlist, okay? If you haven't seen the first part, please do, okay? I'll leave the link in the description below. Perfect. So, let's get started. Let's find our app within our Power Apps environment, which is this one, and then click Edit. Nice. So we are here inside the app, and the first thing we're going to do is to change the theme because we don't want the default one. So just click here in these three dots, theme, and then you can choose like whichever you want. Okay, let's select the dark yellow. Nice. So we can see now all the screens are like this. If we see the detail one, also in the edit one. Perfect. Now if we go to the first page, we can see this task over here. We can see I am the owner, and that's the description, that's the title, but we don't have the person's image. So let's insert this. Let's click in the gallery, and then in this item, once the item is like this selected, we're going to insert and then image. Okay, perfect. Now just move it to the side over here, and then let's add the person's image. In order to do this, we are going to connect, okay, a connector called Office 365 users, okay? So we just go over here, data, add data, connectors, Office 365 users, okay? Just click this and then click again, and then our data source is added to the app. Perfect. Now we return to the gallery, click here in the image. You're gonna search for the image property and then erase it and type Office 365 users dot user photo in order to get the user photo. Now he's asking us for the ID of the user photo. So since we are using a gallery, we're going to use this item. It means I want to get the image of the person from this item. Okay, this item dot responsible dot email. So that's the ID we are providing. So once we do this, see the magic. Now we have the person's image over here. Now you can see the name, the image, description, and also the title. Okay, nice. So what else can we do? If we navigate, for example, to the view details, we can see that the responsible card is in the claims value, and we don't want it, right? We want the display name. So we just go over here, click inside the form, responsible card, unlock it, return to the display, click in the data card value to edit the fields. So we change from claims to display name. That's simple like this. Nice. Now we have the responsible one and not the claims one, which is weird. Perfect. So let's then edit this item, and then let's add some validation over here, okay? In order to do this, it's easy. Let's assume that we want the title card to be required, so the user can't submit the form without like uh, inserting any values. Okay, let's go to the card itself. Okay, advanced, and search for the property required. So that's false. It means it's not required yet. Let's change it to through. So now it is required. Once you do this, you can see a little star over here. Now, if I erase it, Control X, and try to submit it, it says title is required. So I can't submit it without inserting data over here. Okay, nice. So now if I type something and save, it's now saved, right? But one thing I've realized is we saved, but the app didn't tell us if it's saved or not. So let's add some notification. Let's click in the um, edit screen, edit form, and go to the on success property. Okay, so once the form was submitted successfully, do something. So the first thing we want to do is no, do not come back once it saved. Just notify us. So we type the expression notify, and then let's notify something like form submitted, form saved successfully, and then comma, and let's notify uh, notification type success. So we just close it here, and then we preview the app. When we save it, form saved successfully. That's nice, huh? So we can also validate if this title field is going empty through an if expression. So if we go over here to the save button, before the submit form expression, we can use an if. We can use a conditional expression. So if this data card value over here is empty, it means it's blank. If this card over here is blank, so there is no value, we need to notify the user that is empty, and he needs to enter some data, right? So let's, for example, notify please the title field is required. We just close it, put some comma. So in case it's not blank, we just submit the form. Let's close the if expression and let's test it. So if we preview the app and try to save it without inputting data over here, look, please, the title field is required. Nice, huh? If we do input some data and save it, now our form was saved successfully. That's really nice. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Canvas app, validation, and more. So please subscribe for my channel, like this video, comment, and share with someone else you know is interested. Okay? So see you guys in the next video.